In this video, I'll show you how to enable night mode on your iPhone, and I'll cover both options, night mode for your screen and night mode for your camera. Let's say you want your iPhone screen to be easier on your eyes at night and look dark instead of bright. First, open Settings on your iPhone and tap Display and Brightness. At the top, switch from light to dark. You'll immediately see everything turn dark, which is much easier to look at in low light. What I personally recommend is turning on automatic. Then tap Options and set it to sunset to sunrise. This way, your iPhone automatically switches to dark mode at night and goes back to light mode in the morning, which is great if you use your phone before bed. Now, if what you meant by night mode is the camera, let me show you that too. Open the camera app on your iPhone. If it's already dark around you, your iPhone may automatically turn night mode on. If it doesn't, tap the small arrow or 6 dots at the top of the camera screen. Here, you'll see the night mode option. Tap it to turn night mode on or off manually, depending on what you want. When night mode is on, your iPhone captures more light so photos come out brighter and clearer in dark environments. One more quick tip, you can also control how strong night mode is. Tap on the night mode icon and use the slider to adjust how long the camera captures light. And that's it. You now know how to enable night mode for both your iPhone screen and your iPhone camera. If this video helped you, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it.